Welcome to the Southwest Capital Group Construction Management app, training video number 1, Getting Started. The app is built around forms and reports. Both forms and reports are accessed by clicking on the modules along the left menu, and in general the modules are in order of the project life cycle. Forms are for inputting, editing. Fields with red asterisks are mandatory and must be entered before saving. After entering or updating data, click Submit for new records or Update for editing at the bottom of the form. Reports, in general, are for reviewing specific or summarized information. Reports are named either as a list, where the records are summarized and primarily used to select a record to view or edit, or as a report, where there's additional information available about the topic. In some cases, you can modify the data directly from the report, such as the project pipeline or the materials spreadsheet reports. Exporting and importing are tasks within the report screen, using the upper right icon, More Options. Yes, you import data into the forms through the report page. So, getting started. The app includes modules such as dashboards, your company profile, including employees and equipment, related party firms such as clients, vendors, subs, and your project-specific information. The non-project forms are independent, and you will find them quite simple to use. The project financial modules are more interrelated and require a bit more training. Your company profile is the location for all company-wide documents and information. This includes your company name, contact information, logo, etc. In addition, you may upload specific documents such as your W-9, insurance certificates, blank lien waivers, or any other documents that you want employees to have easy access to while in the office or on the road. The next form is prevailing wages. Many public projects often use prevailing wage categories to specify labor rates. In such a case, set up all applicable wage rates in this form. Add and maintain all company employees in the employee form. Information includes name, employee ID, title, role, address, PTO monthly accrual, and PTO balance. Contact information, emergency contact information, and if applicable, medical information. Note it's often helpful to create a few generic employees to use in preliminary cost estimates. For example, Laborer 1, Labor 2, Labor 3, Foreman, and Superintendent. These placeholder records provide a lot of flexibility later when doing cost estimates for potential projects when you don't know who will be available. Company-owned or leased equipment to be charged to the project can be managed in the Equipment Materials module. Using the Equipment form, input your internal equipment number, a description, and ownership type. Different fields are available based on your choice. To build the equipment to a project, add the cost of project per unit field and the corresponding units, which is typically hours. If the equipment uses fuel, add the fuel usage in gallons per unit to this field. You can also include the equipment vendor in a photo. If you bill your equipment to the job, you'll want to create a monthly project expense for equipment. See a list of all your equipment in the Equipment List report. Commonly used materials can be tracked using the Common Materials form. By keeping the prices up to date on the most common materials used on your projects, you can speed up the cost estimating process. Once you have materials loaded in the module, updating prices is easy using the spreadsheet report, where you can edit fields directly. Click the disk icon to save any changes. The company module stores all information on related parties, including clients, subs, vendors, designers, engineers, etc. Use the company form to input new companies and their contacts. Edit an existing company by selecting it from the companies list here. You can edit or add information in the available fields such as their business type, insurance certificates, and expiration dates. List their services here, and below add their location information, and of course add as many people as you need in the contacts. Once finished, submit or update to save your changes. One important report is the insurance status list, where you can see all upcoming certificate of insurance expiration dates. Another key report is the subcontractor list by project. Subcontract amounts, status, and dates are summarized for your review. Now that the review of all the non-project company-wide information is complete. The next training video will discuss the projects module.